It seems headquarters is starting to view some of you in the penal unit as a valid military force. Or at least that's what the rumors are saying. But that's bullshit. The only reason you're here is to atone for your crimes by carrying out missions.
Well, you sit on your ass and get medals.
You, solitary, now. Okay, on to the briefing. In this mission, you're going into Erusian territory. We know the Erusian Forces communications facility to the north in the Waiapolo Mountains is linked to the swarm of drones. Your mission is critical. You will destroy the facility and then weaken those drones. As it's important, the enemy won't go down without a fight. The area is watched over by spy satellites. If discovered, expect AA missiles. Unless you have a death wish, you must use the clouds for cover around the sides and base of the mountains. Use the clouds to hide from their satellites, and you just might have a chance to shake off their missiles. If you do find a missile on your tail, head to the clouds and pray. Let the missile kill you or crash into the rocks. That much freedom I will give.
It's time to get busy, convicts. Proceed with your mission now.
Watching from above. Stay in or below the clouds to keep hidden. That means no missiles. Even you lot should understand that. Talk about an enclosed space. What's more enclosed than solitary? Commence operation. That's your target radar. Destroy the anti-air weapons around it, too.
Enemies are attacking! Enemy aircraft are heading this way! Just drive them away. Chase them upward. Lead them into the missiles.
Destroy radar sites. You're still under satellite observation. Watch out for missiles. Feels like I'm being watched by a pack of band dogs. Their missiles are guided by a combination of the satellite and the radar facility. So if the radar facility is destroyed, their missiles should stop hitting their targets. Are you sure you can trust that intel? Who knows? Only one way to find out. What if the radar isn't under a cloud? Destroy it, and then scurry for cover if you value your life. I thought you'd say that. Spare 15 locked on. Confirmed kill on AA gun. The enemy is packing a lot of anti-air weaponry. I know. I can't focus on attacking like this.
Caution. Pull up.
Radar site confirmed destroyed. However, not all radars have been taken out. The satellite's still in operation. They sure aren't making things easy for us. Damn it, they're making us do something, but just what? It's a dangerous operation, but it's better than running through a minefield blind, I guess. You're so naive, Tabloid. What we're doing is exactly like running through a minefield blind. Silence. If you've got time to yap, you're not doing your job right. Got in using a trick any amateur can think of. Picked up a bunch of intel. Full man, that's your second strike. There won't be a third. Target destroyed. 2 to go.
Missile.
I got my hands on a password, and after some digging around, I found a bunch of stuff. I'm not sure you understand what you're saying, Spare 6. I'll let you in on it when we're home, Band Dog. In this war, intel is a life or death matter.
Pull up.
I think you might be right.
Missile. Missile.
Radar site destroyed. Show the last one the same hospitality.
Caution. Caution. Pull up.
You're in plain view, Spare 15. Get back to the clouds.
Missile. Missile. Missile.
Cancel alert.
Caution.
Remember that satellite is up there. All targets destroyed. That's the last of the radar sites we needed to destroy. That probably put a stop to their satellite's missile guidance capabilities. Someone fly above the clouds.
How about you do it?
I like the sound of that.
You can deal with the exercise.
Wait a minute. Hold it. What's going on, Hancock? This is the Air Force Base 444 Squadron. What is your affiliation?
Nobody told me there was this many nearby. Incoming Allied fighters. Respond.
The regular forces don't want anything to do with the penal base.
Hey, they have radar lock.
The IFF says they're allies. Missile. Whoa, time out.
They're firing.
Tell me they're barrier troops.
They're picking us off.
Missile.
Someone's on me. Is he an enemy?
Missile.
Evade! Ocean fighters do not attack!
Missile.
Shit!
Missile. Missile. Missile.
These guys aren't allies. Are they spoofing our IFF?
Now.
Modern IFF connects to our strategic system via satellites. It can't be decoded.
What the hell? This is close combat. I don't know who's on whose team.
Information regarding IFFs is top secret.
Missile.
There's no way they can make it fake.
Missile. Missile.
What about markings and craft type?
There's no time.
At this rate, no one's going to get out alive. All aircraft head into the clouds. Get out of the enemy's sight. And then what?
Missile. Missile.
Hey, the enemy's working in coordination.
Missile.
Trigger, missile incoming.
Missile.
Who's on my tail? Is it an enemy?
Missile. Missile.
Enemy is locked on.
Enemy show no mercy.
All aircraft, gather around me.
Caution.
I mean Trigger. What? Bandog, can you register Trigger and the blips around him as friendlies?
What are you thinking?
Missile.
What good is that?
What other choice do we have?
Missile. Missile.
Sure.
Missile.
All right,
Missile.
all aircraft, form up on
Missile.
Trigger, nice and tight.
Missile. Missile.
Bandog, it's on you. Full band, what's your location? The tail end. Understood. I've sent new ID data. Enemies will be marked as enemies.
Yeah, my radar display's been updated.
Shoot them all down.
On them.
No way I'm dying out here. This is the penal unit. I decide when you die. Shit!
Missile. 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 Missile.
Trigger, missile incoming! Projectile incoming!
New blips on radar.
Tell us what's happening. Come on! God damn it, not right now. That doesn't sound good. Air contact incoming at high speed. It's too fast to be an aircraft.
If it's not an aircraft, what is it?
What do we do? What's going on? Five, four, three, two, one. Here it comes. That's Shockwave!
My aircraft's gonna break up.
Huh? Incoming transmission from HQ. Their weapon is codenamed Helios. It's a long-range missile carried by Arsenal birds. Arsenal birds?
Why are they aiming for us?
Sending over the predicted impact zone. It's coming in hot. Damn, you're working quick today, Bandog. Get too chatty and you'll die. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Missile.
1.
Missile.
Don't get caught. How can they fire like that when they've got allies in the airspace? Don't they care about the pilots? The enemy's not letting up. I need help. I'm on it. Trigger, look sharp. I'm behind the enemy. Fox 2, Fox 2. Okay, Count. Chase him down. Count, missile. Breaking. Chase him down. Another projectile incoming. It's a Helios again. Evading. I can't. Help me. Help. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not enough distance. They got me. I thought the shot would fly this far from the impact zone. He got away. Someone get him for me. Projectile on radar. Watch your radar. I can't find the way out. There's nowhere to run.
Missile. Missile.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Missile.
Enemy has a lock on you.
Trigger,
I'm sticking with you.
Missile.
Damn, I'm targeted.
Missile.
Missile hit.
Missile.
Target was not hit.
Missile coming at you! Move it!
There are a few targets remaining. Concentrate. Shoot down remaining hostiles. Damn. Helios inbound.
Missile.
Warning, missile in the air.
Why does it have to be me?
Prepare for impact. Direct hit and we're done. Enemy dead ahead. He's mine. I'm not checking out yet. Fox 2. Helios spotted.
We killed the fire. I can take a missile or two, no problem.
All aircraft, scatter.
They're screwing no matter what they do. The hell do we do? Stop screwing around. Fair one, behind you.
Another projectile incoming. It's a Helios again. Missile, missile.
Heads up, idiot. Enemy on your 6.
Nearly there.
No, a matter of time before we're all dead. No big deal. Sorry, you get their hands on shit like this.
Count, man on your 6. Missile hit. Count, 1 to go. Go get him. 1 to go. Where is he? Count. Rhino, this is it. All right, I got the last one.
Oh, yeah! You like that, you dirty freak?
Damn it! God damn it! Why is this? What? Full band?
What the hell? Full band's down! Friendly fire? Didn't we get all the bandits?
Full band got tagged as an enemy.
What?
You did that on purpose, Band Dog. Did what? Don't play dumb. Full band. It was an accident. It got out of control. Return to base. Son of a bitch! The enemy.
The mission was a success. There's nothing else I need to say. Dismissed. Hold on, Count. It looks like your kill numbers are going up every day. You know what happens by giving false reports. Anyway, you other pilots should learn from him. I'm getting the hell out of this dump. And when I do, their kill count will make my star shine brighter.